Welcome to 60 Seconds Civics, the daily podcast of the Center for Civic Education. I'm Mark Gage. The Voting Rights Act of 1965 was a big step in protecting the rights of African Americans to vote. The law prohibits discrimination against voters based on race and eliminates literacy tests, poll taxes, and discriminatory registration practices. Although the Voting Rights Act of 1965 has been called the most successful civil rights law in history, one of its key provisions, Section 5, was challenged in the Supreme Court in 2013. That provision requires states and counties with a history of discrimination in voting to obtain federal permission before changing voting procedures. In a 5-4 decision in Shelby County versus Holder, the court declared Section 4 to be unconstitutional because it relied on outdated information. Section 4 established a formula that determined which state and local governments had to obtain federal permission to change their election laws under Section 5. In the 4 decades since the Voting Rights Act was first passed, the United States has made progress toward equality, yet the work for a more perfect union is never ending. That's all for today's podcast, 60 Second Civics, where civic engagement only takes a minute.